What's the crash of Cavalier, ATHLEAN-X.com. Today we're talking about how to get a big chest, and all you need is a dumbbell and what are you doing?
Over.
What?
Move.
What is it? What are you doing?
Oh.
We're doing a video.
That's the next video. That's not this one. I got a better idea. So you know how we've been doing a lot of challenges on this channel recently? Well, I came up with my own challenge.
Well, yeah, but those are my challenges.
Yeah, I know, but this is my challenge. I did a lot of scientific research and I put in a lot of effort into developing this.
What is this?
It's teeter-totter for hotter.
What?
Okay, you don't like that? Seesaw for Mima.
Mima? Who's
Mima's my grandma. Okay, never mind. Anyways, this is an unbelievable challenge. So here's what we got to do, right? I come over here and I put my hands here and my hands here. You do it on the opposite side, right? So we're counterbalancing each other. Then you got to do a push-up, right? Mm-hmm. And then I do a push-up. And then you do a push-up. And then I do a push-up. See? Seesaw for Mima.
Jesse, this literally is the stupidest thing you've ever brought to this channel.
I think you're just upset because you know you're going to lose.
No, I can do more push-ups than you, so I know I'm going to win. But this is the dumbest challenge. Did you think about this? That if you lose, and you fall down to the floor when you fatigue,
right?
Guess who loses?
Me.
No, me. I lose my teeth because the thing's going to come up and hit me.
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, I think you didn't think about that.
Oh.
I'll tell you what. I'll do this dumb challenge of yours.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but you're going to have to lose something too because it's not just going to be me losing my teeth.
Okay, what am I going to lose?
Well.
Oh, no. We're not losing. I'm not losing the beard again. All
Listen,
right? This has been over a year in the making.
And for a year, they've been asking to lose your beard.
I think there's a few out there that like it.
He actually wants you to lose your beard.
Come on, Jesse. You gotta do one thing. You have to do one thing for his ass. Shave, man. Shave.
How the hell did you get in touch with Dennis Rodman? I've been with you all day.
Listen, don't worry about it. There's a lot of people that want you to lose your beard. So I'll tell you what. I'll do that. Good idea. We'll put this video aside. Let's get in this, what is it, teeter-totter, look hotter?
Teeter-totter, look hotter, or seesaw for Mima.
Okay, let's get in position here, and let's see who wins.
Okay, fine with me.
Let's go. Okay, so we've got our bar, the knurling centered here on the bench, and we're going to get on the ends of this, and we're going to do a push-up for you, a push-up for me, until whoever can't do any more push-ups, and then that's it.
Yeah, that's exactly the challenge.
Okay, now, did you also consider the fact that I outweigh you by about 20 pounds, and if I am at the same distance as you, it's probably going to be a lot harder for you to hold me down?
No, I did not think about that.
Okay, so I will move in a little bit.
Okay.
Did you really think about this challenge, Jesse?
Well, I spent about 5 minutes on this, okay?
Okay, all right, so let's get in position here. Again, I will be a little bit closer. I'm going to go middle finger on the knurling. You're going to go pinky. All right, and we're going to get in position. On the count of 3, we'll come up. You better get up.
Yeah, I got it.
Don't make me fall over here. All right, today, on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, come up. All right, good.
I'll start.
All right, so you go down. Now, obviously, I have to actually push down hard, right? You feel that? I got to push down to keep you there. All right. Maybe it's not the dumbest thing, but it's really dumb.
It's not that dumb.
All right. You better be here all day, Jesse. You're going to be here for a while.
Yeah, well, you know what? You're still old. So I got used on my side, baby.
Keep going. I got at least another 100 in me.
Oh, I freaking bet. I got another 10,000 in me.
You think your Meemaw would be embarrassed about you doing this?
I think my Mima would love this. And she'd love to see me beat you for once.
You're going to look really... Well, you're slowing down over there. You're going to look really stupid without that beard, Jesse.
It's not going anywhere.
You're gonna look like Wyatt Earp.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh, you're going slow now, Jesse. Whoa, that beard.
Damn it! Not again!
I kept my teeth too, but you know you didn't keep the beard, bro.
I'm not.
I'll go get this.
No. You're not shaving it this time. I'm shaving it this time.
You gonna shave it?
I'm gonna shave it.
All right, let's go. Let's shave it. Go take care of that thing.
All right.
Shouldn't you be shaving?
Shouldn't you be doing your thing? You know, Thanks for subscribing. You know, turn on your notifications, buy the programs.
No. You should be shaving, because that was the deal. That was the bet.
I'm not shaving.
You're what?
I'm not shaving. You can't make me shave. I've put in over a year of work into this beard. Beard oils, styling balms. I've got dedicated brushes, a blow dryer, a straightener. There's no way that you're going to make me get rid of this.
You know what, Jesse, I would never make you do something that you're uncomfortable with.
Really?
No, never. And I gotta admit, it's kind of grown on me.
I see what you did there.
Yeah, I wouldn't make you do it, but he would.
Oh, fuck. Not this guy again. Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, let's go. Oh, you know, he didn't stop there either. You should see the hair. Nice mullet. Nice mullet you got there, buddy. Oh, yeah, you can take a look. Oh, yeah. Turn.
No.
Yeah, I was wrong about.
What did he do?
I was totally wrong about Wyatt Earp too. You look like Kenny Powers, not Wyatt Earp. Nice job. Thank you for the idea of the challenge, guys. If you're looking for good content, not these dopey challenges that Jesse gives us, make sure you click subscribe and turn your notifications on this channel. And also, if you're looking for step-by-step programs, we have them all over at ATHLEAN-X.com. Again, great job, Jesse. I really appreciate the ideas.
I don't like.
I'll get back to my real content next time. Thanks, buddy.